Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these cute E-Kitten gamer girl ears on dress room press. Super simple to recreate. So like this and color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to choose this pink and wait, let's do white and pink actually here, and then pink for the bows and glitter. And then I'm going to use these headphones. Just adjust it to your head here a little bit. I'm just going to move them slightly downwards. And then I'm just going to color that color again. And then grab the microphone. I'm just going to move them downwards just a little. And I'm going to color them to the color I want. And that is it. You can also hold like a gaming console or a Switch. I don't know, it's up to you. And we just color it. Kind of want to use a pattern, but this doesn't show. Well, this shows. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.